How to draw the Roblox logo. We are going to start in the left middle of the page by drawing a bubble letter R. To do this, you can start by drawing an L. Then you can start at the top of the L and draw a line going towards the right that then curves around and will then go diagonal downwards for the bottom of the R. Great job! Now you will just make a triangle-like shape on the bottom and connect it to the diagonal line. Next, in the middle of the R, we are going to make a half circle shape. Next, we are going to draw the O. This will be a square-like shape that is a little bit tilted. Then inside that square-like shape, we're going to draw a very small square-like shape the same way. Then we will draw the next letter, a B. Again, we will draw a straight line going up and down like we did for the R. Then from the top, we will start drawing a line going towards the right that curves down to the middle, and then that will make another curve down to the bottom and connect back to the line. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw two half circles inside of the B. Next, we will draw a bubble letter L. We will start by drawing a regular L. Then from the top, we will draw a little line going towards the right, and down from that we will draw another L. At the end, we will connect that L to the bottom one with a small line going up and down. Looks great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we're going to draw an O. For this, we're going to draw a square, and then inside of the square, we're going to draw a little square for the middle. We're almost done. Now we just have to draw an X. For this, we will make a sideways V shape. Then from the top and bottom, we will draw a straight line going towards the right. From each of those lines, we will draw a small V-like shape pointing inwards towards the middle of the X. Now we will draw the other side of the X the same way that we drew the first side. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings of the Roblox logo came out awesome. If you would like us to see your drawings, then share it with us on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.